Fritz Kreisler. Sweet, fine wine, antique furniture. We're in the 1920s. Yasha Heifetz. Metallic, tinny, slightly small sound, oozing with passion. He's the greatest violinist ever, by the way. David Oistrakh. Big sound, powerful, Stradivarius. I'm thinking Stalingrad, 1943, and Soviet Union. But what a player. Arthur Grumiaux. Aristocratic. Misha Elman. What a warm player. But he was warm a lot, wasn't he? He did say it's a bit hot in here. Not for pianists, mate. Ricci. Bit rough. Del Gesù-esque boxer. Perfect for Paganini. But he can be very clean as well. Listen to his Bach sonatas and partitas. Nathan Milstein. Mercurial sound. Liquid metal. Listen for yourself. Perlman. Big sound. Very Jewish. But I'm not sure if I'd recognise him as instantly as some of the earlier players. But still one of my best ever violinists. And which would you say are the most recognisable? Probably Kreisler, Heifetz, Milstein. There's a lot of talent out there today, but alas, all the violinists sound the same. Play your scales.